First of all, congratulations to the whole team here who organizes. This is the first ever conference that I have spoken where post-lunch session, so many people are sitting and listening. I think, congratulations to the organizers and the entire team. I am from ITW Signode India Limited. I am the CEO of ITW India. While ITW is into many businesses worldwide, I am discussing here something related to packaging. Okay, we are a part of the Fortune 200 company, ITW, Illinois Toolworks, based out of Chicago. It's a $17 billion company. Here in India, we have close to 10 companies under ITW umbrella. Signode deals with industrial packaging. We are into industrial packaging, that to the secondary packaging part of the packaging business. Close to 850 business units across the globe and driven by a lot of innovations and patents. What do we do in India is we deal with steel and metal packaging. Virtually all the steel coils, long products that you see in the country are packed with Signode solutions. And of course, industrial is all other segments, which is consumer durables, it could be automotive, it could be pharmaceuticals, and of course, getting into the newer areas which are agri-based and food-based. I think that's one large opportunity. Some of the reports of CII say close to 30% of the food produce is wasted because of lack of packaging. And before, that's from the farm to the user, by the time it reaches the user, close to 30% is wasted. That's because of lack of packaging practices, lack of entrepreneurs in that space to encourage packaging. And that's seen as something which is going for ages. Traditionally, that's how it happened, and hence you don't need to pack. Off late you see some retail chains obviously are doing something about it. You see some plastic recycling bins coming, they're bringing it to a distribution center, washing, cleaning, and putting it in the retail chains. But that's some space which is huge because we are agricultural based economy, and it gives huge opportunity for every one of you, including us who are in the packaging business. These are some of the segments that we work with. We work with an entire metal industry, steel, aluminum, copper, zinc, all of them, auto engineering, all the companies, two-wheelers and four-wheelers, fiber, cotton or polyester that is produced, paper industry, consumer durables, that's all the refrigerators, washing machines, whatever, and consumer goods, and of course the pharmaceuticals, which are again, Hyderabad being the pharma base is again a big opportunity. Hyderabad is large base for exports, and the pharma industry is undergoing a big change thanks to the norms that are set by the FDA or DGFT, which is related to the packaging and the handling of the goods. I think is again a large opportunity, especially for those in Andhra Pradesh, huge pharma base in the country. We do, as I said, in the secondary packaging, we produce virtually all kinds of secondary packaging material for corner protection, stretch wrapping or wrapping films, taping, strapping, palletization, etc. And how do we deliver this is, of course, from small hand tools to fully automatic systems. We also deliver it through a channel called contract packaging, where we offer services at customer place, packaging their product and charging them on a per piece basis. These are various solutions that you can see. Each component is supplied or produced by entrepreneurs here in Hyderabad or across the country, depending on where the customers are. You can see a variety of products that go in packaging one particular steel coil. There are, of course, lots of automatic solutions that are being implemented today. I will come to the gist of the opportunities. I have only in one slide which talk about what are all the other opportunities that are there thanks to the kind of automation levels that the customers are looking at today. In spite of having 1.2 billion people, Any industry that you go to today says they don't have people to run the organization. That's the pity. I mean, I'm sure lots of organizations which are volunteering to train people, vocational training, etc., to bring in more people, bring in more diversity, more ladies working in this field, and bridge that gap. However, that problem is an opportunity from a point of view of automation. Small automation at every stage of our life, every stage of industry. These are some of the large solutions that are used in metal industry for packaging. Each of the thing ranging from anywhere between 15 crores to 30 crores to pack coils. And most all of this is produced in Hyderabad, and most of our vendor base is in Hyderabad for these, except for some of those electrical. The corner protection, which is also in line with the sustainability. That's another big market or opportunity that's opening up. I'll cover briefly about that in the last slide. These are various methods of packaging that we implement and change the practices in the industry today. The kind of automatic systems that are used for stretch wrapping from a conventional hand wrapping. The high speed and highly automated solutions for packaging, wrapping a steel coil, the things that are being banned in view of the environmental issues. There are more and more new biodegradable films that are coming up, even at a lower thickness. They don't harm the environment, they biodegrade themselves. So I'll skip these parts and would like to discuss briefly on various other opportunities. These are various consumables that we produce here and also in the two other locations that we have, that is Silvassa and Rudrapur. The polyester strapping. Here are the partnerships that I can think of. We work with and we look at the entrepreneurs here in Hyderabad or across the country. Services side, we look for people who actually build panels for us. Each of those systems that you have seen in the earlier photographs need huge amount of switchgear and huge amount of integrating panels that are there. Obviously, it's not the panel fabrication, it's building of the panel. There are system houses of large companies, ABBs and Siemens, etc. However, the entrepreneurs who are interested, who are creative, who are innovative, can build these panels and deliver value to us, value to our end customers.